I had not been to Las Vegas for about 18 months or so. Went this past April for a long weekend of food and folks and fun and sightseeing. I saw the gondolas there at the Venetian. I saw the waterfalls over at the Wynn. The weather was great the whole weekend. Every time you look up in Las Vegas, you see people ziplining up above, something I do not need to try in my adult life. Also found out I don't need to try again the peanut butter and jelly soda I found. Something I would recommend is breakfast at Hash House. There is the griddled meatloaf. And dinner at Allegro at the Wynn. There is the pasta and meatballs. Finishing up a traditional Italian dinner with a traditional cannoli. There were milkshakes along the way. And there were cocktails along the way as well. There is a tequila sunrise. There were slots along the way as well. The slots were not terribly kind that weekend, but here's my last slot video from Las Vegas. A great session on Moonrace still to come, and we will start with a very, very, very loud bonus on Cats, Hats, and Bats.
It's super loud back here. $105 a spin. We got the bats. Let's go. Oh, thank you. Come on, bats. Down to 26. Okay. Started with 100. Dime denomination. $5 a spin. Come on, bats. Come on, bats. And that's all for the bats. So 31x in the bonus. Up to 181. Go down to 5 cents. Do some going away spins here. Oh my gosh, it's so loud. Two. Oh, in the middle. No. Oh my gosh, look at that. And 3. Cashing out. All right, 100 in, Moonrace, nickel denom, $1.25 a spin. Here we go. Come on, Moons. Come on, Moons. These are all small moons. These are asteroids. Come on, we want moons. Oh, it's going to be one of those bonuses. Small moons. Come on, Neil Armstrong. Come on, Buzz Aldrin. Come on, moons. One more. No. Started at 100 up to 110. I'll be back. All right, up to 250 on dimes. There we go, 10 spins. A little something there. Astronauts are wild. It's all premium symbols and moons and wilds in the bonus. No poker symbols, 9, 10, jack, none of that. But it has to line up. That's pretty good. Moons in the bonus would be great. Or lots of astronauts. Oh, or a retrigger. All right. 3 more. That's good. Oh, heavens, that's excellent. Nothing to the 5th reel, but that is excellent. That is coin show excellent. $75. All right, one more. Two more. All right, how about that? 102 in the bonus, almost a double up. Should we keep going? See if we can get it to 200? Or is that just greedy? All right, I'll be back. Well, we played it down to back under 100, $7.50 a spin. We got a mini, that's 150. Dime denomination, holy mackerel, here we go. We kept going and went for broke, and oh, I saw the major flash by. Woohoo! High rent district here, $7.50 a spin. We got paid off this time. Come on, one more. Unmas. Yes, another mini. That's another $100. Look at this. Oh, I'm so glad we kept going, but I am schwitzing. All right. Look at this. Hello. Aren't you glad we kept going? I'm glad we kept going. Whew. Nickels and dimes and $2.50 and $5 and $7.50 a spin, and we got the moons on $7.50 on Moon Race here at the LINQ. How exciting is that? $447.50. One backup spin. And there it is. Thanks for watching.